Welcome to our channel. In the last session, we discussed the concept of set interface and list interface. So the set interface is implemented by using three classes: hash set, linked hash set, and tree set. After that, we discussed list interface. This list interface is implemented by using three classes. One is array list, second one is linked list, third one is vector. Now, this vector class has one child class, that is stack. Now, in this session, we are going to discuss about the stack class. What is the stack? Here, like vector, it also organizes the elements in a sequence, and it is also a synchronized, and the elements are organized in last in first out fashion. Last in first out fashion. What are the different methods that are available? That is different operations that are available under stack. So one is push. Push. Push means inserting an element into the stack. Inserting an element into the stack. So that element. Pop. Pop means removing an element from the stack. I already said the stack is synchronized. So before the method, we are using the keyword synchronized. Pop means to remove an element. Which element? To remove the topmost element from the stack. Peek. So here observe, peek is used just to display the top element. What is the difference? In pop, we are removing the topmost element, but in the peek, we are displaying the topmost element. Next to one more method is empty. Return type is Boolean. That means it checks whether the stack consists of any element or not. If there is no element, it returns true. Otherwise, it returns false. One more method is there, search, which is used to search the particular, that is, I given one element, the given element is present in the stack or not. Simply to search the element from top of the stack to bottom of the stack. And if the element is available, it display the position, that is index. How to create an object? Simply stack. We are writing the data type or class name. That means you can use either predefined class data types or user defined classes. Some object is equal to new class name. Okay. Now consider one example. In this example, we will discuss how to create a stack. Just to perform either integer, for example, use wrapper class integer objects. Coming to under this pack one, new, create one class. Suppose my class name is stack demo main. Directly here I am doing the operations on integer objects. Integer objects, import java.util.star. I am importing the util package. Next, to the procedure step by step. Scanner, sum C is equal to new scanner of system.in. So create a scanner object. Next, if you want, you can use try with resource statement. You already know what is the advantage. Advantage is once this try is closed, all the open objects, that is the scanner object, is also closed. Now try. Immediately end of try. Write down one catch block. Try with resource catch is not required, but a simple try block catch is compulsory. Print one statement, system.out.println exception. Now, This is the minimum skeleton. Write down our first one. What is create a class stack? I want to create a stack for integer object. OB is equal to new stack of integer. Okay, stack object is created. Now, what are the operations you want to perform? If you want directly, you can do the operation ob.pushoff, ob.popoff, or else you can write step by step. That is selection of choice like this. This is your wish. While true, end of loop. Within this loop, what you are doing? System dot out dot println choice. Now, print out the statement system dot out dot println slash t. What are the operations you want? First, I need push operation plus slash n slash t. Next, I want pop operation. Next, I want pop operation plus slash n slash t 3. Next, peak operation. Whatever the operations you require, write down those operations. Suppose I need search operation. Finally, what is the last one? By generally, we are writing slash n slash t5 exit. Like this, I created one switch statement. So based on your option, the particular operation is performed. Now, this is your time to select the choice. System dot out dot println enter choice. Enter choice. Now coming to switch case, switch off sc dot next to int off. This is end of switch. Now here case 1. What is case 1? Case 1 is push operation. Then you need to enter one element. System dot out dot println enter element. ob dot push. My method name is push off. Pass that element that is in the collection. We are passing objects. Same procedure. New integer of sc dot next to int of. Instead of value, I converted into object and pass that one. And by default, by using toString method, we are printing the value. So ob dot toString. For strings and for wrapper class objects, toString is available on by default. Break. Case 1 is completed. Coming to case 2. What is case 2? Pop. First, we are checking one condition. If ob.empty, suppose if an element is available, end of if element is available or not available. Suppose empty method returns true means there is no element. The stack is empty. In that case, system.out.println print the message stack is empty. It is not possible to delete. Okay, right. Else means element is available. Then what you are doing? ob dot just to write pop. By automatically the pop operation is performed. Once that pop is performed, display the result. Like this. Paste, yes. Display the result. The LC is also completed. The LC is also completed. Now, next statement, what is once coming out of the else? Break. Next, case 3. My case 3 is peak operation. Here also we are checking exactly the same thing. If an element is available, then we are doing the operation. If the element is not available, stack is empty. Instead of pop, here you are writing peak. But observe, it returns some element. So we are writing here system dot out dot println. Suppose element is plus ob dot pick, like this, ob dot pick, and after that display break. Case 3 is also completed. Coming to case 4. What is case 4? In my example, case 4 is search operation. So here also for searching, first we are checking whether stack is empty or not. Suppose the stack is not empty. Then what you are doing? System dot out dot println, enter the element to be searched. Which element you want to search? Please enter that element. So integer, some element is equal to sc new integer of sc dot next to int of. So here I am reading one integer element that is converted into integer object, that is converted into integer object. Now check the comparison. If the element is available, it returns the position. Suppose int some position is equal to ob dot search of element. If the element is available, it returns the position. That position is placed in the variable POS. Simply, we are checking if POS is greater than 0. POS is greater than 0 means the element is available. So we are printing element is at position. Just we are writing position plus POS. So element is available at that particular position. After that, print the entire string. Now, suppose if the position greater than 0, condition fail. Condition fail means simply display one message system dot out dot println element not found. Remember, if the element is not available, the search method returns -1. The search method returns -1. Now, break. Case 4 is also completed. The last case, case 5. What is system dot println? We are printing one message. Operations are stopped on stack. Just for understanding only, operations are stopped on stack. Coming out of the program, system dot exit of 0. Simply we are coming out of the program. Okay. Here, this if, this is else, break. System dot exit of 0. Then no need to use the break statement. And at last, what is the last statement? Default. So print one message system dot out dot print ln invalid choice. Out dot println invalid choice. Fine. This is the end of switch statement. This is not end of switch statement, end of the loop, end of the try. Catch message, catch is also printed. Now everything is okay. Save. Any errors are there? Here one error. Anyway, first we run. If any errors show, we will rectify those errors. Okay. So unresolvable syntax error. Think just one syntax error is there. We will check the syntax error where here system.out.println ob.peakoff. Oh, just one bracket missing only. Now save and run this code. First, my choice is push. Enter an element 20. My choice is push. Enter an element 30. Observe, always elements are inserted at the top position. Enter choice 1. For example, 40. Enter choice 1. For example, my element is 10. Observe 20, 30, 40, 10. Now I am doing peak operation. See this one. What is the topmost element? Element is 10. My topmost element is 10. Now search operation. Here I am searching an element 40. 40 is available at position number 2. Next to pop operation. Automatically the topmost element is removed. 5 exit. The operations are stopped. Now you understand? This is the concept of stack. Generally, this stack and the next session we will discuss you. All those are used in the algorithm design in real-time applications. That is the end of the stack. In the next session, we will discuss the queue interface. Thank you.